to Lake Math. Today we're going to talk about linear regression. Sometimes your algebra books also call it your trend line. We have dots and we want a line that fits them closely. First we're going to talk about correlation. Correlation, lowercase r, is the strength and direction of the relationship between your x things and your y things. So if we've got strong positive correlation, it's going to look kind of like a line, and it's going up. Strong negative looks like a line, but it's going down. Weak positive means it's a little bit more blobby, but it's still going up. Weak negative, more blobby, but going down. No correlation is just going to look random. No pattern. Sometimes the standard tests like to talk about nonlinear correlation. It's definitely an important thing in statistics, but in Texas it is not part of Algebra 1. So nonlinear correlation is just a wrong answer you can scratch off, at least in Texas. I don't know what other states might cover that in Algebra 1. I don't know. Alright, linear regression. In my class we use the TI nSpire. There's different directions for an 84 and for whatever other calculators you have. But I'm going to cover the nSpire because that's what we use. Alright, so first you hit the home button. Turn it on. Home. And then I'm going to hit 1 for new doc. No, I don't want to save it. 4 for lists and spreadsheets. Got the rest of the directions here. These directions are in my notes, which are also going to be available on the website. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in real close so you can see what I'm doing here. Alright. Now, it says put an X in the A box, so go up here. The second box with the equals, if you put something there, it makes everything below it equal that. So I'm going to put an X here. It won't let you go right. So you go down, over, up, and then put a Y in the B box. Now, we're going to put our X's underneath the X's, not in this equals box. Leave that alone. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for my Y's, you put those in under your Y's, not in the equal box. Now I went down one more than I had to. This is kind of weird. You have to go back up and be on one of the numbers before it'll let you do it. Otherwise, you'll press the buttons and then people are like, Mr. Lake, it didn't do anything. It won't let me do it. Alright, so menu 3, 9 for quick graph. Now you have to label the axes. So you're going to come over here and click on the side and tell it it's Y. You come down here, click on the bottom, tell it it's X. And now we're going to hit menu 4, 6, 1. We've got an equation, but we can only see half of it. So if you put your cursor over it, it shows the hand. Click and hold. The hand grabs, and you can slide it over to see the rest of the equation. So that's how you do regression on the nSpire.